Hello, I am Ethan, the landscaper. Today we will be building a self-working watering filter for your plants. So, look at this wire that I just found. We first need to pick a place we want to put this in. So, let's see. I feel like this would be a good place for it. Okay, the white dot. Now we need to measure how much we're going to cut off. So, since this is pretty long enough, we might want to, let's see, might want to cut off here. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Okay, we cut that part off. Now it's slightly shorter. Okay, this is a pressure compensating dripper. Okay, we want to attach this to here. Let's pour one out. And as you see, we want to stick this part in this hole. So, yeah. Okay, got it. As you can see here, we want to put this side inside the tube. For that to happen, how it can go inside the tube is because this part can go there and then it can't get out because this part traps it inside. So let's make the hole. Okay. Okay, where do you want us to make the hole? Okay, we agreed it's supposed to be this white dot and we want to make a clean hole. So no big hole. Okay, got it. This is a very handy tool that you must have as a professional landscaper. Okay, now we're going to put this inside of that hole. So let's try to do it. Okay. It's going to take a while, so bear with me, folks. Okay, got it. Now you can every day smell the fresh smell of the mints of this tree. How does yours look? Tell me in the comment section below. Okay, now let's test it. This is an automatic irrigation system. Let's first set it to zone 1. Okay, now let's add it by 1 minute. 2 minutes. 1 minute, okay? You got that? Okay. Let's press manual to run it. Okay, let's check it out, okay? Let's see if it works. Oh, it works. Good job for following along with me. See you next time in Ethan the Landscaper. Bye.